Hunter Biden's much anticipated court date is set for Wednesday, but it's unclear if the judge will accept his plea deal. Here's One America's Daniel Baldwin with more.
I hope that the judge this week does not take this slap on the wrist, sweetheart deal where they're going to let Hunter Biden escape with a couple misdemeanors for tax violation when there are felony violations galore.
No one knows what will happen on July 26th, the day that Hunter Biden is expected in court. But National Legal and Policy Center's Paul Kamenar says he knows what the judge should do.
The judge can reject that. The judge can say, look, I'm not going to be party to this cover up here. I want you to come back and lay out everything here from the testimony of the whistleblowers, or she may even hire a magistrate or somebody to further investigate this, because the judge does not have to rubber stamp the deal that's coming down with respect to the Hunter Biden, the prosecutor, and Hunter Biden's attorneys.
U.S. Attorney David Weiss announced in late June Hunter Biden agreed to plead guilty to 2 counts of federal tax misdemeanors and struck a deal with federal prosecutors to resolve a felony gun charge. Kamenar blasted the deal back then as a quote-unquote sweetheart deal.
I think the average citizen would have the book thrown at him.
But multiple other factors have emerged, such as a slightly redacted FD 1023 form alleging a Burisma oil executive paid both Hunter and then VP Joe Biden $5 million each to shut down an investigation into the company by former Prosecutor General Victor Shokin.
I mean, this makes Watergate look like a picnic. I mean, this is incredible.
Plus testimony from 2 IRS whistleblowers alleging Biden's DOJ stifled and interfered with the federal investigation into the first son, which resulted in that very plea deal.
If Hunter got $5 million in a bribe, and he did report it on his tax return, that's a further evidence of tax violations.
When testifying before Congress, both whistleblowers said they had never seen or heard of the FD 1023 document during the investigation into Hunter. But Joseph Ziegler, otherwise known as Whistleblower X, said they had potentially corroborating evidence.
There's things that are contained on that document that could further corroborate other information that we might be having an issue corroborating, because it could be regarding a foreign official. So if we have information regarding that in a document or a witness, we can further corroborate later evidence. And like I said, if that's something that we have, we can turn that over to the House Ways and Means Committee.
In Kamenar's eyes, the judge's choice is crystal clear.
There's a lot of evidence here that needs to be further brought out and investigated.
But if the judge accepts the deal, things get a lot more complicated for Republicans moving forward. Daniel Baldwin, One American News, Washington.